Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and today I'm answering the Quora question. Assuming cell A1 is displaying the number 12,000.7789, what formula should be used to round this number to the closest integer? Microsoft Excel. I'm glad that you asked. Excel has a couple of functions that can be used to round things off. Now, to answer very specifically the question that you've requested, the function that we would use is round. Oops, pardon me, round. And what round allows is we can take the input and then choose how many digits we want to round this off to. In the case of an integer, it means that we want there to be 0 decimal places after the decimal place. I can input 0 and I'll get out the answer that I want, this rounded off number. We can use this to select the number of digits we want to have after the decimal place, but that's not exactly the answer to the question. So round is one way to do it. The next way that we can do this is actually without using a function at all. Instead, if we're just worried about the displaying of the text rather than the holding of the value, we can do this in the, where is it? We'll do it in the by changing this format to a number. So Excel assumes that a number wants to have 2 decimal places, but we can tell it to shift the decimal place. In this case, we'll decrease the number of decimal places until there are no decimal places left. And we get the same output as we would using the round function, but without actually implementing another equation. The third and fourth ways are a little bit of a side topic that I just want to cover briefly. Excel also has a round up function. This can be useful if you always want to round up. And then it has conversely the round down function if you always want to round down. And those numbers should always be different by exactly 1 in the case where we're interested in an integer. And those are basically all the ways that you can round numbers. I think this satisfactorily answers this question. So thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And of course, keep asking questions. Happy excelling!